Episode 2 of Calisthenics 101. My fault, yo. I ain't feeling a minute, I know, but we back to it. Today, I'm gonna show you how to go from normal push-ups to explosive push-ups. I'm about to go from doing those regular push-ups to flying on the floor. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so the goal is to later do Superman or clavin push-ups. You gotta build your explosive strength. So the first thing we gotta do is build a good pushing base. I'd say you're ready if you can do about 10 to 15 normal push-ups. Once you build that strength, whether it's grease the groove method, which is half of your max every 2 hours, or just being consistent doing push-ups every day, you're ready to move on. I'm about to give an example about an explosive push-up. Alright, you gotta get a normal push-up position. Go down. When you go up, you push as fast as you can, exploding off of your palms. Just a little tap off your palms. Just imagine, instead of trying to go up, you're pushing the ground down. One thing I will say about explosive push-ups is if you're new, it could put a little bit strain on your wrist. So always warm up your wrist circles, wrist shrugs, anything to get your wrist ready if you're not ready for this movement. One thing you could also do, the literal easiest variation is explosive knee push-ups. Way easier, just to get your body to train how to really push your body up the ground. Building that explosive strength is the first prerequisite to doing Superman clapping or con push-ups. Alright, let's start with the first explosive variation after explosive clapping push-ups. Y'all probably seen people do clapping push-ups and like, oh yeah, this is impressive, but they're easier than they look. Essentially what you do, it's the same movement as an explosive push-up, but practice this motion going off the ground, and the moment you lift the ground, you immediately clap your hands. That way, you lose the less amount of energy to push yourself off the ground. If you're too scared, you can just get on your knees, practice that motion. Now using your newfound explosive strength, you're gonna put that motion together with a normal explosive push-up. Down, drive off the ground as fast as you can. At the moment you jump, clap. After you got clapping push-ups down, this is where it gets a little spicy. Our next variation is con push-ups. To do this, I say you should be able to do 5 to 10 clapping push-ups in a row. So normal clapping push-up, you push, tap the chest. Just like I told you, gotta train for clapping push-ups. You get on your knees, practice this motion, and make sure you have enough explosive strength while you're starting this. You could legit just get a pillow, put that under you, just in case you fall down, because I know you don't want to get hurt. Alright, the final explosive push-up I'm going to go over today are Superman push-ups. The reason they call these Superman push-ups is when you're in the air, fly like Superman. Like to start an explosive push-up, you go down. When you push up, you throw your arms out in the air the moment you push up. The amount of explosive push-ups I say you need to be able to do this, 20 in a row or 15 clapping push-ups. And the best part about it is once you learn explosive push-ups, you're essentially free. Currently, I'm too sore to do them right now, But you could even mix it on with one arm variations, one arm explosive, one arm clap, one arm con. The list just gets insane. I'll even show you a little combo I like to do. If y'all seen on shorts, being able to do explosive push-ups is the first step to calisthenics freedom. I hope y'all enjoyed. Peace out. See y'all on the next.
Subscribe to T-Main!